Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is your friend Vijay. Today I'm back with another video, and I have some stocks that can be considered for swing trading, and I hope you guys will like the video. So without much further ado, let's dive into the chart. So the first stock is Sale. So Sale is a stock that has been consolidating for how many days? Actually, kind of for almost 15 trading days, and now the stock is breaking out of the range, and that can be a great opportunity for you guys to take a trade and get some handsome profits. So if you go to the hourly time frame in Sale, you could see that we have rejection, rejection, and rejection, and as soon as this level is broken, I think this level got broken like slightly yesterday, but if the price opens somewhere around here, you can take a trade and put your stop loss below this swing low, which is in 7.6% stop loss, and you can always target for a risk reward of 2. So that is about Sale. So Sale, I believe, is a great opportunity, and we can. And yesterday also we were seeing a little bit of movement in the metal sector, so that will help because most of the metal stocks are going up. So let's see. Then we have NFL. So if you see NFL, which is National Fertilizers, you could properly see that the price has been consolidating in a ascending triangle pattern. So if you go to the hourly time frame, you could see that the price actually came down to these levels, got rejected, made a lower high, again went up, got rejected, again came back, made a higher low. Sorry, it was higher low, again went up, got rejected, made another higher low, again went up, got rejected, made another higher low. So as soon as the price breaks out of this resistance level, you can always this resistance level, you can always take a trade. And if the price actually breaks out and comes back to these levels, that is also an opportunity for you guys to take a trade, and you can always put your stop loss below any swing low and try to get a risk reward of 2. So that is about NFL. So next is Deepak Nitrite, I guess. So if you see Deepak Nitrite, the price has came down to these levels. So this level was being holded by the price, and the price actually broke these levels with a huge green candle. The price went up, and if you see here properly, if you see the price action in the candlesticks, you could see that from the top, the price was coming down with a huge momentum to the downside. And if you see here, this is a level, this is a break and retest level or an area of value in the market. So this level should act as a support. So that's what happened here also. The price came down to this level, and if you see from top to this level, we never saw a candle which closed above the high of the previous candle. And if you see here, as soon as the price came and touched these levels, we got a nice little candlestick pattern where the candle closed above the high of this candle. So that shows that the bulls are coming in. And again, if you see from this top to these levels, we never saw any kind of price action pattern like that. And if you consider only these 3 candles, this is a Morningstar pattern. So these are all confirmations for you to go in and take a trade. But if you had taken a trade, there was a time of long consolidation, and it is up to you to hold it till the target or stop loss, or just like sell it off because there is no movement. So that is up to you if you had taken a trade. But now if you see in the hourly time frame, we have rejection, 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 and kind of the price went up and came back. So I believe we still have potential to go up. So as soon as the price breaks these highs here, you can take a trade and put your stop loss below the swing low with a 7.26% stop loss and a target with a risk reward of 2. That is So this is the kind of setup that I believe will work, and let's see what will happen. And then we have Parag Milk. So in Parag Milk, if you see here, okay, we have these wicks here and these levels, that means buyers are there in the market, and these levels has been respected in the market as again. And if you see, the buyers have tried at these levels. If you see the candlestick pattern, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 continuous red candles. So the buyers were strong here, and the market or the buyers tried to go up a little bit at these levels, so they failed and the price again came down. So this level is an area of value, and if the price breaks these levels, then we can always expect the price to go something like this and to these levels, which is another area of value in the market. So that is, I don't think that will happen. I believe again we have a candlestick pattern where this candle closed above the high of this candle, so that is a confirmation for me. I don't I don't say that you guys should use it for your trades also, but that is a good confirmation kind of stuff that you can always consider. So if you go to the hourly time frame, you could see that the price has been stalling between this range. We have 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, and 4 rejections at the top, and we are making higher lows. So that is also a good sign. So as soon as the price breaks above these levels, you can take an entry here and put your stop loss below the swing low, and try to get a target of with a risk reward of 2. So that is the trade in Parag Milk. Hope you guys will get that trade. Then we have Khadim, I guess. KJDA. I don't know whether I'm spelling this name of the stocks properly, but yeah, at the end of the day, if you make money, that's all what counts. So if you see here, we have 1 2 3 4 rejections here at this level, and the price actually broke out of these levels with a great candle, and that's a strong candle. And so as soon as the markets opens today, you can always take a trade and put a stop loss below the candle which has formed. So that is a good trade, I believe, but the stop loss is kind of wide. That is a 22% stop loss. This is a positional trade, I guess, but I think this target will be achieved fast if the momentum continues to be there, because if you see here, there is a nice little strong candle here, and again the volume of that candle is also very good. That means there are presence of very good, very big buyers there. So I don't think it will take much time to reach these potential levels in the markets. So then we have Ruby Mills. So if you see Ruby Mills, you could see that in the weekly time frame we had a nice little triangle pattern. And we got a good breakout, and the price is kind of retesting this trend line. And so if you go to the daily time frame, you could clearly see that the price tested this trend line and went up. And again in the hourly time frame, you could see that we had a nice little channel pattern which got broken to the upside, and the price has also tested these the trend line, like the weekly trend line. So I believe that there is a good opportunity for us to go long here with a stop loss below the just below the trend line. So we can always look for a risk reward of 2 also. So that is Ruby Mills. So these are the stocks that I will consider for swing trading in the coming weeks, as well as in the coming week. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe and support me, and I'll be seeing you guys with another video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.